What's up everyone, my name is JosephAnthonii from Unicorn Slime Shop. This is my third time being at Slime Bash, and it's Slime Bash 3. It's so exciting, I wish you could see it right now, it's crazy. What's poppin' y'all? Welcome back to the channel. We are here at Daytona, Florida for Slime Bash. I am so excited.
Oh
Hi!
God. I'm here.
We have somebody already. Hey, what's your name?
I'm Sophia.
Sophia, nice to meet you, Sophia. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
So this is how the booth is looking right now with our little balloons. I also have this stand-up banner right here. We are right next to Putty Egg and by Slime by Jacqueline, my girl. So super exciting. Perfect. Alrighty, so it is 9 o'clock right now, which means that the Mega Bash pass holders are going to be coming in. They're like the VIPs, so they're going to be coming in an hour early. So they should be running through any minute now. Here's a look at our slime. This one is so beautiful. This one's unicorn. I mean, this one's boardwalk taffy. I wish everything was unicorn themed. This is Pineapple Party. I love this slime so much. Got wristbands, other slimes here. This one is also pretty. Got the wheel so you can spin, win some free stuff. Got our shirts, 32 ounces, the big 3 over here. Did that change for you? Hey, y'all want to say hi to the vlog? Hey. Awesome. Oh, thanks.
Slimes are amazing. Go snack.
Thank you. Oh.
Getting ready to do Q&A with Joseph.
My name is Chloe.
Hi Chloe, what's your question?
What inspires you to make slime?
What inspires me to make slime? Literally anything. I'll take inspiration from anything. So just, you know, what was it? Yesterday we were at the boardwalk and I was looking at all the taffy. There was like a taffy store and I was like, these need to be slimes. Like all the different flavors, you know, just the different colors. I was like, this has to be a slime.
When did you know that you wanted to make slime?
When did I know that I wanted to make slime? Oh gosh, well the first time that I made slime, it was actually, I had seen a video on YouTube and it was literally clear glue and some detergent, and so I made it for the first time, not thinking that it would turn out anything like this.
What's your favorite type of slime?
My favorite type of slime? What's your name? Isabella? Oh, okay. My favorite type of slime, it's either a butter slime or a cloud cream. I just really like those textures because they're both very creamy and spreadable. What's your name?
Amelia.
Amelia, okay. What's your question?
Yeah, do you have any tips for like thick slimes?
For starting a slime account or just slime in general?
No, for like thick slime. Really thick.
Oh, for thick slime. Well, what I like to use is glycerin. Have you ever used vegetable glycerin in your slime? I think that thickens it up a lot. Also, using glue wall is really good for your slime too.
How long have you been making slime?
Oh gosh, it's been 2 years, I believe, since I've been making slime, but 3 years on YouTube, I believe. I think I've only had my shop for 2 years though.
What inspires you to come up with the names for your slimes?
With the name of my slime? Okay, so it takes me a while. That's probably like one of the longest parts. Like I'll have a slime sitting for a while and not knowing what to name it. So if it's inspired by a food, I'll obviously name it like what the food's name is. Or, you know, I'll just kind of add unicorn to something. So like unicorn taffy or unicorn pop rocks, just different things like that.
Let's give a big hand for Joseph. Joseph, you are awesome. We're glad to have you back here in Daytona.
Thank you.
Joseph, where can we find your booth?
My booth is actually the second booth to the right side, but we are sold out for today, unfortunately. I will have more slime tomorrow though, so if you want to come snatch a bestseller or anything like that, I'll be here tomorrow.
Sold out, so we're just taking pictures with fans.
Okay y'all, so since we're sold out for today, we're gonna go ahead and walk Slimers Alley, go see some of my friends and just have some fun. My favorite people in the world. Hey y'all, what's up? So this one actually fell, my Portionelle, and it cracked, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw it at the slime wall. Might as well. Should I just throw it?
Just swing it in.
It's the best ASMR you're gonna see all day. So like you can see like only the slime. Okay. Because I'm gonna like time lapse it. Mix.
The slime training station and the regular slime in the back. Those are all free.
my name is JosephAnthonii from Unicorn Slime Shop. This is my third time being at Slime Bash. It's Slime Bash 3. It's so exciting. I wish you could see it right now. It's crazy. I just want to say a really quick thank you to everyone who came out for Slime Bash, and of course to Maddie and her team for having me. It's insane. We've actually had people that have been to every single Slime Bash from places like super far like Canada. So thank you so much for taking the time to come out and for selling us out, just buying slime and being cool. Hey y'all, so it is Slime Bash Daytona Day 2. I'm really excited. It actually already is happening. VIP is already in here and we're just having a good time. It's pretty cool.
Not ready, wait.
This is so cool.
Make a little.
Okay.
This is so cool.
1, 2, 3.
I'm crying.
Look. Don't get it in your hair.
No.
Not again, boys.
Y'all are wild. This is the last slime that we have for today. It didn't sell, so I'm gonna throw it at the wall. It's a mud mess, so let's go onto the wall. Ready?
Oh, perfect.
That's crazy.
Listen to the sizzle.
I know. Super cool. Slime Bash 3 winner! Hey girl!
Thank you so much. They said that you guys were cheering.
Yes! Congratulations!
The other way, the other way, the other way, the other way.
Alrighty, so that was the end of Slime Bash Daytona Day 2. I had so much fun. We did really well, so thank you for everyone who came out. Thank you for Maddie and her team for inviting me. It was a lot of fun, just like the other Slime Bashes. And thank you for watching. So yeah, thanks for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!